I'm early. I'm super early.
And then fucking hell, they just stowed there. Just think we've got 2 more games. Fucking potentially. Fuck me, cunt. Semi-final, I've got no idea. Fucking idiot.
It's not a hard choice. It's just you go, you be a good support system.
There wasn't anything like, you know, people say, oh, what did they teach? They didn't teach you how to fucking do intercourse or anything. None of that fucking.
But the songs, way the songs are so sweet. What the hell was he doing?
What the fuck are you doing? Jesus Christ, mate! Not turning lane.
Let's face it, close to $1 million, and he has not quite performed. Had to be carried off effectively by the St Kilda trainers. So Naswagan and Miller and Mitch Owens will be available next.
Dude.
Fuck you!
And all the clubs you get in using my name. You think you broke my heart and God forget.
council meetings and holding court, and hadn't been able to visit her. Were it not for the feast, he'd go to her again. He hadn't meant to annoy her with talk about the dress, though it was outdated, nor had he known she'd be that irritated about not being invited.
Not that I have to explain.
Where's this learner drive going?
Isn't that the same one as before?
You can't turn left.
Isn't that the same car as
I
before?
don't know, but you can't turn left yet.
Yeah, I know, but that looks like... Oh my... Oh! Oh!
I'm putting that on dash cams.
Oh, how?
That's
Never
going
got it.
on dash cams. Yes, I do.
Oh, yeah. Oh my God. Be careful, be careful.
What the hell? What's this dumbass doing now?
Yeah, I don't know.
What are you doing? He needs to give two shits.
One dump to the other dump.
He needs to be a learner driver.
What a fucking idiot. What a fucking idiot. You're in the intersection. You should have just gone.
What the fuck? Are you fucking serious?
Jesus Christ, you fucking idiot!
Wow, okay.
Fuck you, man.
What the fuck?
Fucking idiot!
Oh my...
Fuck! What the actual fuck?
Sticky wheel and tyre package with this much power and performance on tap. It lives up to its name. It's a much better car than the pre-facelift Model Y performance. Now, compared to a lot of combustion vehicles, this is still a good car.
I can't do the noises like you get.
Dude, check it out. Dave Portnoy from Barstool Sports just tweeted he's coming to our restaurant tomorrow to do one of his one-bite pizza reviews. Awesome. Who's Dave Portnoy?
What an
He's
idiot.
like if a high school athlete got one genie wish. But he also happens to be one of the most influential pizza place kingmakers on the internet. Really? Chris, that's fantastic. I know.
Dash cam.
And we better get